welcome back to my channel, and today I will be talking about my Fabfitfun subscription. As everybody knows, this is actually a $75 subscription. It's like 4 times a year, so every season they come up with new stuff. So for $75, most of the products in here, they're saying that it's between $347 to $354 in the products inside. So that's what we're going to be talking about. Talking about subscriptions, I think this is one of my favorites other than my BoxyCharm and this one. Trust me, you will get a good deal in this box. But not every month will come out really amazing. To get started, the first product that I will show you guys is the handbag. This is actually a Rachel Pally reversible clutch. It's a reversible clutch. You can choose if you want it this side or you want it this side. This is a very kind of like, this summer there will be a lot of like outdoor parties and you just need a few things that you have to carry around. Sometimes it's impossible in my end because I have little babies. Not that little, but I always stuff my bag with everything that I may need necessarily. So I'm always prepared as a mom. But once in a while probably I can get away with this kind of like handbags. But I'm not very good with keeping them safe because I end up like leaving them in one space and I'll definitely forget about it. But then again, I can use them once in a while, right? And this bag is actually very expensive, $60. I still don't think that I would buy this handbag for $60. Don't you think? It's a little bit overpriced. I'm not exactly sure. Sometimes I feel like they want to make it look like it's overpriced so that it would look like the box cost more. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's not worth $60. So anyway, the next product that I have is this Physic massage roller. This is actually $20, which I'm very surprised because again, it's very much overpriced. I mean, you can find a lot of these products in Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and for a lot cheaper cost, because $20 for like a massage thing. I mean, you can massage your head with it, but it's a little bit too rough. But like what I'm saying, $20, I think it's still a little bit pricey for this product. And so the next product that I have is this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. The price for this is $40. Well, with this product, definitely their products are very expensive. So the name and probably the result that you're going to get out of this skin perfecting lotion, you're not going to regret. But still, there are a lot of like lower end, a lot cheaper product that would do the job. Definitely this is a good buy also. And the next product that I'm going to show you guys is my favorite, but I feel like again it's overpriced. $45. It smells really good. But definitely I can find something like this in Bath & Body Works. They're like only $22 if it's full price, and most of the time you get 20% off and every time you go shopping. Or there are times that they're 2 for $22, so technically it's $12 and it's much bigger than this. It smells good though, so why not, right? So the next thing that I got in here was this lip palette. This was endorsed by Alexandra Garcia. She's one of the YouTubers that I first started watching, and she's really nice and all her product reviews are amazing. I always watch all her videos because, you know, she gets like a really good reviews. And then this is the only thing that I'm really very happy about. I'm not so used with this kinds of palettes, especially with the lip palette, but the colors are very promising. Something that I will definitely use in the future, or very near future, or maybe even tomorrow or later on. Why not? But the colors are amazing. I really love them. And it's something new to me that I will be using something like this. I just feel like it's very not hygienic, but it's for myself. I'm not going to use it for other people, and I'm just going to use one brush every time I would use it. But of course, you know, sanitizing it after you use it would be a really great idea. So yes, I am really loving this, but this is $42. What is it with the products inside this box are also expensive. So $42 for this lip palette is just basically the same price as what the higher end products, like I think Urban Decay already had something like this before, and I still think that they still have it. At some point it was on sale for like $19 or something. So, but I did not gravitate on that just because, you know, like what I said, it's something that I don't go for because of the whole palette thing. It's sticky, you know. I feel like more dust would go straight to those colors. So the next thing that I have gotten and I'm really very excited about is this Free People and Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask. And this has like a gel inside, and it feels really nice, kind of like leathery in the front with like little stars. They did came with 3 colors: the gray, the mint green, and the pink, and I definitely got the gray one. The cost for this one is $40, and like what I said, still overpriced for this product. I'm not exactly sure why they keep doing this. Sometimes they have products that are worth it, and sometimes really they don't. So I love this. These are the few things that I really liked in this box, is this eye mask and the lip palette. So the next product that I'm going to show you guys is the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. It came with 5 packs in here, and the total cost of this product is $24.99. Well, I had this before from my BoxyCharm, and I tried them, I used them, it's there anyway, so why not? I did not see any kind of like big change at all, just because it's a lip mask, and but it didn't came with a pouch like this, so this is kind of like different this time. $24.99, maybe I can justify it for 5, so maybe it's like 3 something or 4 something each, plus the pouch, so maybe it's just right on cost. The next product, which is ridiculously annoying, is this tassel earrings. I mean, it's just the plain tassel that you will find in Michael's, I think, and I don't see any kind of like special anything. I don't see anything special with this tassel earrings when everybody else is making it, doing it, or selling it. All kinds of brands are recreating this kind of look from New York and company. I see them everywhere, this tassel, and I can see that it's kind of like getting too old and everybody's just doing it, but the price is just ridiculous. It's $58. I will not pay $58 for this tassels. That's probably costing like $2 to create something like this. $58. I'm not even interested in that. So I think that is all the products that I got from my Fabfitfun box for this springtime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye!